This was totally unexpected. Look at this. I think this is the first home elevator frame. Son of a bitch! Look at that. Wow. This is at Sunvalley Shopping Center. This is why people don't close the doors. It's the hardest. These are the hardest freight elevator doors I've ever had to deal with. That I can remember. Look at that. Home elevator, San Francisco. Everything except for this button has been replaced. It's got the plastic COP that home elevator did. Fright. I think someone rearranged. Let's go again. I can't tell if this is piston pump. Or water hydro maybe, since it only levels down. That's a cool button. I think that's arrow hard. Either that or cutler hammer. Yellow cab. For whatever reason. Very cool elevator.